Welcome to America's Choice Gourmet. Today we're going to cook up a piece of Wagyu beef known as the Teres Major. This piece of Wagyu meat is a Australian grade 9. Teres Major, of course, comes from the shoulder and is also known as the shoulder tender or the tender strap. It's the same consistency as filet mignon, but with much more flavor. Now, we're going to cook these little medallions into something that will have a product that looks like this at the end. Very exciting Wagyu steak. So these little petite tenders here, we're going to cook these for about 2 or 3 minutes in the cast iron until a little bit of moisture starts to come up. Then it's time to flip them. They've got that nice golden crust on them now, which is what we really like. We love the Maillard effect is what that's called. When it's the caramelization of the meat, if you will. And we're going to cook them to about 125, right at rare, almost medium rare, and then butter baste. We got to make sure we got the good crust on both sides first before we butter baste. Now, at the very end, you see that butter and that nice golden crust on that steak. You know that that's going to be a delicious Wagyu steak. The Wagyu Teres Major is personally one of my favorite steaks. If you guys like to check in with some more cooking ideas, look at that. We finished it with an egg. Why not? America's Choice Gourmet. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we be posting other videos. Come check us out for other Wagyu cuts. You guys are the best.